Hi, my name is Stuart. Here are the top 5 facts about the Pacific Ocean. Fact 1. Where is the Pacific Ocean? The Pacific Ocean is located between Americas to the east of the Pacific Ocean Basin and the Asian and Australian continents to the west. Fact 2. Where does the name Pacific Ocean originate? Pacific means peaceful, coming from the Latin pax, or peace, and the Pacific Ocean got its name from the Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan in 1521, who called its waters Mar Pacifico, which means peaceful sea. Fact 3. How big is the Pacific Ocean? The Pacific is the biggest ocean on Earth and covers more than 30% of the Earth's surface. Fact 4. How deep is the Pacific Ocean? The Pacific is not only the biggest, but also the deepest ocean with the deepest trenches. The average depth is about 3,800 meters / 12,467 feet. Fact 5. How warm are the waters of the Pacific Ocean? The temperatures of the Pacific Ocean depend on the location. The nearer to the equator, the warmer the water tends to be. So some regions the water is up to 30 deg/86 degrees Fahrenheit, while near to the poles the water temperature decreases to freezing point.